Louis, come on.
I have to take this. Dude! Can anybody actually fill in for me? Phil, can you? Come on. Phil, dude, I gotta handle this. Sorry.
Does anybody have a capo that Phil can borrow?
I just happen to have a capo in my pocket. Okay. I'll just play it.
All right, you got it? You can do this? Thanks for filling in at the last minute. And I also wanted to thank Athreya for also filling in at the last minute. So.
Literally.
My lover's got rumor. He's the giggle at a funeral. Knows everybody's disapproval. I should have worshipped him sooner. If the heavens ever did speak, he's the last true mouthpiece. Every Sunday's getting more bleak. A fresh poison each week. We were born sick, you heard them say it. My church offers no absolutes. He tells me worship in the bedroom. Only heaven I'll be sent to is when I'm alone with you. I was born sick, but I love it. Command me to be well. Amen. 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 Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless day. Good God, let me give you my life. Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless day. Good God, let me give you my life. If I'm a pagan of the good times, my lover's the sunlight. Keep the goddess on my side. She demands a sacrifice. Drain the whole sea, get something shiny, something meaty for the main course. That's a fine looking high horse. What you got in the stable? That's a lot of starving faithful. That looks tasty, that looks plenty. This is hungry work. Take me to church, I'll at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless day. Good God, let me give you my life. Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless day. Good God, let me give you my life. No masters or kings when the ritual begins. There is no sweeter innocence than our gentle sin. In the madness and soil of that sad earthly scene, only then I am human, only then I am clean.